Hello, Aaron. Thank you for talking with me a couple days ago. I promised I would send out this video, so I'm here gonna just give you some tips and tricks, give you a few ideas as far as what you could be doing online, using your website to generate more traffic into your website and therefore convert it to more revenue and just more clients in general. And then the flip side is you'll be able to outbeat your competition. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right to it, Aaron. So looking at your website, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for content. Okay, so I'm looking for, do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, right? And it looks like you are trying to be able to be indexed for certain keywords like air duct cleaning, which is great. And seems like you do have, well, I'm 100% confident you have over 1,500 to 2,000 words of content within your website. Now, some of the things I'm looking for, like I mentioned, is keywords. Okay, so air duct cleaning, HVAC service, these are keywords for sure, plus the city. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Okay, like these words. Now, you want to be able to place those throughout your website because you want to tell Google exactly what you want to be found for. For example, if you do AC repair in Fort Myers, since I noticed that you have that, you want to let them know I service AC repair in Fort Myers. Okay, and that's a good keyword to be indexed for because that's a buyer intent keyword, meaning one, you have exactly the service that you provide, and then two, it is a local keyword, meaning Fort Myers. Okay, so you want to be able to be indexed for those because you're going to get more potential clients within that area versus a national keyword like AC repair. Now, let's jump over to this tab here. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. This helps me understand how well your website is performing. Okay, so right over here, this is your power score and your trust score. So currently right now, you're not being indexed for either or. So you're probably asking, well, what makes a difference? How can I be indexed? A couple things, right? How well your website is being built, for one. And then two, obviously on here there's a lot more details, but I won't jump into that just because I can be here for hours. But the second thing is your backlinks. Okay, currently right now you have 80 backlinks with 45 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links, they act like an endorsement for your website, okay, and it builds trust with Google. This is where you get the score. Now, not all backlinks, Aaron, are created equal, okay, so it's relevant and it's worth noting that you want to get backlinks that are within your industry. Now, if you were to get, for example, a backlink from your local pizzeria, it could actually hinder your overall scores because you're not in the food industry. Last thing I want to show you is your organic keywords, meaning what keywords are you currently being indexed for? Okay, that's super important to understand. So, since I'm talking about Fort Myers, let's just see what type of keywords you are being indexed for. Okay, because like I mentioned, you want to be being indexed for those buyer intent keywords. Now, I like to just, a couple things, right? I like to go by volume. The reason why is because this is, if you see here, an estimation of number of searches for a keyword. So 250 people, it's an estimation amount, are searching for this every single month. Okay, and these are buyer intent keywords. AC repair, Fort Myers, specific service, and the local area. Folks that are searching for this are going to be needing your service. They're going to call you. Now, this is your position, 97. You lost 11. Now, you're probably looking at, I don't know, 10 plus 9 to 10 spot on Google, meaning like the pages. So you're probably going to be, you're not being ranked on number one. Let's just put it that way. Now, let's just take this AC repair Fort Myers and type it in to Google and see what pops up. Remember, 250 estimated amount of folks are looking for this every single month. So one, this section here, okay, let's focus on this section. This is, and this section actually. These are Google Guarantee or Google Ads. So folks are paying to be on here. So every time this business, you call this business, they're going to get charged what is called a CPC or a cost per click, but they're getting a call. Okay, those are called Google Ads. Now, my favorite spot, which is the Google My Business page or the Google My Profile, this is where 30 to 40% of calls come from this specific area, which is my favorite because of that. Some of the ways that you can increase your Google My Business page is one, get more reviews, respond to those reviews, okay? Update your Google My Business profile with updates about your business. Optimize your photos and your content with specific keywords. Okay, so those are the things that's going to help you be able to rank for, let's just say, AC Repair Fort Myers. The last thing I want to show you on here is your organic listings. You're not paying for Google Ads, okay, on this area. Google is just ranking you low. So we got Yelp, and then we got Advanced Air and Refrigeration. So let's just take this company, okay, and let's see what they're doing to finish off. So I'm looking for keywords like I mentioned. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But now, let's go to Ahrefs and see what they're being indexed for. Look at this. Their power is 39, and then their trust flow is 27. So that's huge. And they got like 7,000 backlinks versus what you've got, which we just mentioned. Now, let's just go to Fort Myers and see what they're being indexed for. This is the last thing I'll show you to end the video. AC Repair Fort Myers, 250, and look at their positions. They're number 4. They actually went up. This is an estimation. They're actually number 2 now. So just to give you a perspective of what you can be doing to one outbeat your competition and get higher rankings and just get more digital real estate. Now, Aaron, if you have any questions as far as what I showed you, go ahead and email me back. That'll be great. Now, if you're not, that's okay. No harm, no foul. Just go ahead and email me back with some feedback. I would love to get your feedback as far as, was this video helpful? Was it not? And like I said, no strings attached, but we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your time, Aaron. We'll talk to you soon.